Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add an image to your layer in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Pixlr, where we can get started with logging into our account in the upper right corner. So you can get started logging in. If you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, where we can get started opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor right here, and after opening it up, we can now get started opening up the image that we want to use. So open up the image. I already have my image right here. And after opening up your image, now you'll be greeted by this edit mode, where we can get started with editing our image. We can go ahead and add what we want. Right here at the left side of the screen is a toolbar with all the options we can use, like arrange, crop, and cutout. So let's go ahead and see how to add images to new layers so that we can go ahead and layer our images one above another. Basically guys, the layers option is right here at the right side of the screen. If you cannot see it, that's because it's minimized, so you want to go ahead and maximize it, which is going to open up this layer right here, where we can get started with adding a new layer. So let's go ahead and click the plus button. That's going to enable us to add this new layer right here, as you can see. And after clicking plus button, we can now get started with choosing what kind of layer we want to add. And as you can see, one of the options is image. So what you want to do is go ahead and select image, and after clicking image guys, go ahead and select the image that you want to add as a layer. After that, it's going to appear right here, and then you'll be able to get started with layering your images one above another, and so on, and select how you want them to look. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.